Okay, here's what I've been working on. It is a CNC control pendant with some torch height control features. It has a touch screen, and I'm working on a 7-inch display here, but it's designed to live on a handheld 3.5-inch display like that. It has a scope type display to show the signals, and it records the signals on an SD card, so you can use the scope to go back and look at the signals and see what happened. It not only measures arc voltage, but it also ties into the CNC X and Y step signals to calculate velocity. And it ties into the Z-axis step and direction signals to calculate the Z position. It also has a Mach 3 Modbus interface, so we can display buttons, and LEDs, and digital readouts just like on the Mach 3 screen. And they actually work to control Mach 3, so we can have a router screen with spindle, and feed rate override and reset, tool change macros, and a jog screen that actually drives Mach 3 and control the jog increment, continuous or step mode, 0 and reference all the axes and stuff like that. If I run a little program here real quick, you can see that it's plotting the velocity. That is not stable. So those high-speed velocity measurements can be used in combination with the arc voltage. And I still have a long ways to go, but that's what I've been working on.